Hi folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. Today I started attaching instruments to my dodecahedron frame.
Barb Makes Things!
Maker Faire is coming up next weekend, and while I won't have the whole instrument done, I do want to show what I've gotten done so far. Assembled. The plan for attaching the pentablock is a bar across the frame and a bolt with spacer nuts that holds it in place. I marked angles and cut a piece of plywood on the chop saw. And then marked and drilled a hole for the insert. The tape is to make sure it doesn't go all the way through, because I thought that's what I wanted. I went to the hardware store to find threaded insert nuts. Turns out it worked better to have the hole go all the way through, so I drilled it and then added the threaded insert. I love screws for their quickness and removability, but this is a thin frame, so I don't want to risk it for a potentially flimsy connection. Wood glue it is. The largest of my pentagon drums are big enough to fit in the openings, but the drum head holding pieces are not, so I had to take it apart and reassemble it in place. I decided to mount it with 2 threaded rods attached to a piece of wood on the frame. I knew I might need a third one, but I'm gonna wait and see if I need to add that later. I actually used a scrap end piece from months ago when I made the frame, because I know it has the exact correct angle for going inside of this thing. Cut it down, made a squared surface on the bandsaw. I marked the location for matching holes, 4 inches apart on both the block that glues to the frame and on the drum shell. Then I drilled the holes. Actually, I waited till much later to drill the holes in the drum shell because that's nerve-wracking. Glue the mounting block in. I had to undo a couple of the strikers on the pentablock to get the bolt in place. Then I attached it. It needs something to keep it from pivoting. I'll probably add a small dowel or bolt into one of those gaps. I put the drum shell in place and reassembled it. It's clear that smaller drums will need that third rod to keep them sturdy, but this one is big enough that it holds itself in place. So I haven't attached all of them yet. There are still a couple days before Maker Faire, and we always wind up working on things till the very last minute. I do anyway. If you're gonna be at the Bay Area Maker Faire, come on by the Crash Space booth in the Makerspaces area and say hi. Oh, also my channel just hit 3,000 subscribers. Like what? Yay! Welcome new people, and welcome back old people. Thanks for sticking around. If you like this video, share it with a friend. If you didn't, share it with an enemy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.